Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. Today we are going to see how to make this red velvet cake ice cream candle. Yes, I know, huge name but super easy to make. So let's start the video with the quote of the day. The art of living involves keeping one ear inclined to our duties and the other attuned to the inner voice of wisdom that is trying sometimes desperately to get our attention. We need candles. You can use wax granules as well. A glass like this or a jar also will work. Wax colors. You can use liquid colors as well. Fragrance. I am using vanilla fragrance. Wicks. Make sure you always melt the wax by using double boiler method.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
You can see the color depth on the spoon only or put a small drop on a white paper to see the color. Next, fix the wick in the glass and keep it in place with a stick like this or two toothpicks.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity.
For the cream, we need to whisk it like an egg to make a texture like cream.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
Next, take a plastic bag and put the whisked wax in it like a piping bag, or you can use a piping bag as well.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Now let's make the frosting on top. There's no particular technique, just do it the way you like.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Now just to make it look more realistic, take a scraper, red wax and a lighter and scrape the wax on top of it like this.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity.
I hope you like the video. If you make this candle, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment down your thoughts. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.
Won't you take me